So now I'm going to run my project. Here you are seeing topology and 6 basic nodes. So I'm going to start my first node, which is node 1. So it is going to start, and it is giving me an active state output. Now I'm starting the second one. I'm running my whole project. So continuously I'm doing the process for running. Now I'm starting the third node, and continuously I'll start all these 6 nodes, and I'll show what my output is. So I started my receiver. I'm starting my last node, and I'll start my sender. Oh, giving me another. So I'll start my sender. So what I'll do, I'll just make these all things onto a single screen, so that it will be easy for me to differentiating between the nodes. Now I'll send a message, because all the nodes are connected by this single sender. So I'll just gonna type a message, and it will be displayed on my routers. Routers, that means the nodes. So I'm going to write a message from sender. So I'm just arranging the routers on my screen, as you are seeing. So now I'm going to send a message. So I'm going to send a message. It's a hi. Then I'm sending it, because all the nodes are selected in the background. It's just a warning. So what I'm seeing it, I'm receiving that message on one of my routers. It is because these routers are serving as some. I'm receiving my one at a time. My one router is becoming active. It is sending me response that I am receiving that message on that router. So what this project is doing, this project is about implementing that topology connection at the root level. This means earlier it was like we are using some. Earlier we are using IEEE standard, which has a lag that only lower layers of OSI it can support. And in this, what I am doing, I am implementing this at the upper layer. So that wise I am getting output like this. So rest of the output we can see in the lab sessions, which I will give. Now I take my interest on presentation. I'll present a rough model of like how things are being done and how it is being doing. Means what's the basic principle, what's the ideas behind this project, and what are the needs for this project. So probably I'm going for presentation. So I'll on my slideshow, and you can see my topic clearly: topology control, mobile ad hoc networks with cooperative communications. I'll skip to abstract page. So what my abstract is showing, that cooperative communication is the tremendous interest in wireless networks. Obviously, because you want things to be done in a simple and efficient way, and for that you have to implement some better technology day by day. That if you have a issue on link level physical layer, you can solve it, because if you can implement some upper layers, it can override your lower layers. So for this problem, we have proposed a capacity optimized that is called COCO topology control scheme, which will improve our network capacity in a tremendous way. So through simulations, we can use upper layers also, that will serve in a better way. So here my architecture, how things are being done. Suppose S is a source and Rn is the routers. Rn is for that, like we can use multiple routers, so I don't have any limit for implementing this project. This project can consist of infinite number of systems. So C1 to Cn a cooperative release, which will be controlled by R1 to Rn. Then it is going for direct transmission R1 to Rn, because from sender nodes are receiving the message in which two are active and two are asleep, and it is going to destination. So introduction I said in abstract, so no need of this, just skip. So these all existing systems, what are issues: low network capacity, communication, focus on physical layer, like that, which I have stated earlier. So this one is proposed system. What we are proposing? We are proposing a COCO topology, which will work on the upper layer of OSI model. Then it will improve network capacity of the managed mobile ad hoc networks, on which our whole project is based on, and dynamic traffic pattern and dynamic network it will implement. So module description, there are 4 modules. Transmission in minutes, network constraints, relaying strategies, and cooperative communication, and multi-hop transmission. And this is system requirement. It is general Pentium 4, 60 GB, 1 GB RAM, and I need Eclipse for implementing my project, or any other JDK Java framework. So like operating system, you all can know Windows XP. Likewise, I would end this presentation, which will give you a brief intent about my project and what I have done in this project period. So thanks. This is my DFD diagram, in which firstly I am implementing topology discovery, then route selection, then packet forwarding. If routers are on, it will give the packet and it will receive ACK and any other error. If it's not on, it will again go to that route selection step. Thanks. This is my end page.